Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, where we explore the world's most incredible luxury homes and architectural masterpieces. Today's cinematic construction journey takes us deep into the peaceful countryside, where a breathtaking $5 million fountain luxury villa rises from the ground to become a stunning modern estate. But this is not just a house. This is a full luxury home construction, from raw land to final reveal. Let's begin at the very start. Every great mansion begins with land. Before a single wall can rise, the construction team must prepare the site. Heavy machinery arrives to clear and level the ground, shaping the landscape to support a large estate. Excavators dig deep foundations while engineers carefully plan the structural base. Reinforced concrete systems are installed to ensure the villa will remain strong and stable for decades. This foundation is the backbone of the entire home. Once the base structure is complete, the next stage begins: structural framing. Massive columns and beams start to rise, forming the skeleton of the villa. Each beam and support is carefully placed to carry the weight of multiple floors, expansive glass windows, and the complex roof structure. Slowly, the mansion begins to take shape. From above, you can see the full layout emerging: wide terraces, open balconies, and a grand courtyard that will soon feature a spectacular multi-level fountain. As construction progresses, the first floor walls are completed. This level will house some of the villa's most impressive spaces. The grand living room is designed with tall ceilings and panoramic windows that bring natural light flooding into the home. Elegant silver and cream interior tones create a sophisticated atmosphere that reflects modern European design. Next, the construction team moves into one of the most important areas of any luxury home: the kitchen. This is not just a cooking space. It is a centerpiece of the home. The luxury kitchen features a large marble island, custom cabinetry, and high-end appliances. Every detail is designed to combine beauty with functionality. Nearby, the formal dining area is built to host unforgettable gatherings. A long dining table sits beneath an elegant chandelier, creating the perfect setting for dinners with family and guests. As the second floor structure rises, the villa becomes even more impressive. Here we find private living spaces designed for comfort and relaxation. The master bedroom suite offers panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. Large windows allow natural light to fill the room while maintaining a peaceful and luxurious atmosphere. Attached to the bedroom is a spa-inspired master bathroom featuring a marble bathtub, glass walk-in shower, and elegant stone finishes. This space is designed to feel like a private luxury retreat. But the villa offers much more. A dedicated home gym provides a place for daily fitness and wellness. Equipped with professional training equipment and mirrored walls, it brings the experience of a luxury fitness studio directly into the home. Moving deeper into the villa, we enter the entertainment areas. A stylish TV lounge creates a comfortable environment for relaxing evenings and movie nights. Plush seating, warm lighting, and elegant decor transform this space into the heart of the home's entertainment experience. One of the most visually stunning features of the estate is the indoor swimming pool. Surrounded by modern architecture and natural light, the pool area blends luxury, wellness, and design into one extraordinary space. But the beauty of this estate does not end indoors. Outside, the landscape design completes the entire vision. Carefully planned gardens, stone walkways, and green lawns surround the villa, creating a peaceful estate environment. At the center of the courtyard, the signature multi-level fountain becomes the highlight of the property. Water cascades gracefully between levels, adding movement and elegance to the architecture. Nearby, a garden swing area offers a quiet place to relax while enjoying views of the surrounding countryside. Finally, we arrive at the moment every construction project works toward: the final reveal. What once began as empty land has transformed into a magnificent $5 million luxury villa. From the strong foundation to the elegant interiors and breathtaking outdoor spaces, every detail reflects careful planning, skilled engineering, and architectural vision. This cinematic build demonstrates what it truly takes to create a luxury home of this scale. Thank you for watching this journey with American Dream Mansions. If you enjoy exploring luxury homes, dream estates, and incredible architectural builds, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more luxury mansion tours.